Hello guys, today we'll be taking a look at the Oakley Wind Jacket 2.0 sunglasses. The model number on these is the 007072. The particular color I have is the 09 color, so it'll be, the whole code will be 2.0 OO7072-09. One color to show you, this one is the frame color is Multicam. So the Multicam is, cam is just short for camouflage. This one is a part of the Army Camouflage collection. The lenses will be a Prizm Snow Jade Iridium lenses. Even though it doesn't say Iridium on the frame, it's technically, that's the whole thing. You know, it is the Iridium lenses. Alright, so let's take a look inside. So it comes in the Oakley box. It comes with a couple booklets. First is the standard Oakley limited warranty booklet. Comes standard in all the glasses. It also comes with the wind jacket. What I guess it also explains the foam removal. But then, you know, the lenses are replaceable. I think they charge like $90 for a set of lenses. Well, it's technically one lens. It's just a shield. But you can remove the foam. I assume this is how you remove the lenses as well. And then this booklet, I probably should have read it. It just talks about the lenses. Alright, so what you get, unfortunately it does not come with a case. I wish it came in a hard case, but it does not. It comes in the cloth bag pouch case. You know, this is your cloth. It also has this little pouch here, and it does come with the cord, so you can put it around your neck. Let me show you. So these are clip in on the frame. Let me show you. So these do clip on the end of the frames. There's a hole here. Just snap it on, and it'll hold it. And then you can easily remove it. Easy peasy. But I do wish they came in a hard case, but what you gonna do? So, I mean, what a cool looking sunglasses this is. So it does have these foam here, which is removable, but this would help, I would assume, with the wind, and also like so that sweat doesn't get into your eyes. And with the measurements, the whole width of the frame is 150 millimeters. The temple length is 126 millimeters, which doesn't sound big, but you know, it is a big curved frame, so it is a big wrap frame. So technically, there's way more space here. With the height, it's going to be a 68 millimeter lens height, so it's pretty big. But with the sizing, I'd probably say it's between a medium to large. It's definitely not just medium. It's not large. It's in between. Like, I have a large head. These do fit me, but I can tell it will be really uncomfortable for like long use. So definitely for someone like medium size, if you have a large head, it will be uncomfortable after a while, because it does, like for me, like the temples just, it'll bother me after like an hour. Okay, so so with the lenses, it's going to be the Prizm Snow Jade Iridium lenses. They say it's good for, you know, skiing, you know, mountain sports, things like that. But like I said before, you could order replacement lenses for these, so you can, you know, get a different color for maybe a different activity. It does include some rubber nose pads, which I'm sure you can order replacements as well. It's kind of similar to the other ones. that you can get. On the inside it reads there's Wind Jacket 2.0. The model number is here, 2.0 OO7072-09. It also says 126, which is the tempo length. Also on the lenses, it does say Prizm. I don't know if you can see that. Also it comes with the sticker that says Prizm Snow. So with the color, it's Multicam, so it's multi-camouflage, as you can see. And also the temples are going to be a matte black, and the Oakley O icon is going to be shiny. It does say assembled in USA, so probably the parts all come from probably China and they just assembled it here. So I'm not sure if it's technically made in USA. I mean, they just mentioned assembled in USA on the box. With the material, it's mostly plastic, and the lenses are probably going to be polycarbonate, or their version of it, which will be good for like high impact. So with these frames, they retail for $163, which is not too crazy. But you know, I do wish it came with a case, but most Oakleys don't come with a case. I forgot what I was gonna say, but I think I showed you guys everything. So with these do feel comfortable. The foam, and like I mentioned before, it can be removed. But these would definitely help with, you know, like sweat going down your face. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please hit that like button and also subscribe. Alright, have a good day, guys.